What is Flip Forward and why should I care? Hi, my name is Moritz and I've designed a modular system for building split flap displays that's called Flip Forward. And if you want to get involved, there's an easy way to do so right at the end of the video. Phase one of Flip Forward was basically designing, constructing, prototyping a system for how to build split flap displays in an easy to build, easy to assemble way, but it also scales beyond just one or two units. So making it easy to build whole assemblies. And that was phase one. And at one point, after I had like my basement full of PCBs and screen printed flaps and metal cases and all sorts of equipment that I didn't have before, I asked myself, what do I actually want to do with all of that? And I realized the best thing I can probably do is make this accessible to more people, because having split flap displays is surprisingly quite fun. So enter phase two, which is getting real. And this is where I am right now. And getting real means I'm moving this project from being just something that I do in my basement to making it accessible to more people. And I do that by doing multiple things. The first one is you publish build instructions and documentation, so folk can actually understand what's happening and how to follow along in the journey. So you can actually see that already if you go to flipforward.de. There's like the preliminary build instructions. It's heavy work in progress and still being tuned. But I've also got very eager beta testers. Thank you, Daniel, for your contributions. And so that's what's happening there. But there's also the other dimension, that the electronics part is what makes Flip Forward really special. Like the electronics is basically a small circuit board that goes on the back of each of the split flap displays, and make it very easy to connect them to other modules, and make it also very easy to reliably display the correct character, and also make it very easy to control the whole thing remotely. So there's a lot of magic in those electronics, but I'm in Germany and it's legally quite tricky to sell PCBs to end customers, which normal consumers are just by the very definition. So there's a lot of regulatory things that I have to comply with in order to be legally allowed to do that. So this is what's happening right now, kind of like behind the scenes. So I'm self-certifying CE compliance, where I get some assistance from an engineering office that's actually reviewing my designs and making sure that they're safe and compliant. And I'm also having to sign up to multiple compliance programs for recycling concerns. And this is just eating a lot of time, but there's also the reality that it's very different to build a business versus building just hardware prototypes. So I think that's just the reality of it. I'm learning a lot in the process, and actually do enjoy that process, even though it's quite tedious. I'm going to be mainly focused not on creating new videos about like details of the hardware like I did in the last month, but I'm spending a lot of time making sure that I can actually start selling the PCBs, that I have a pricing strategy, that I have an idea on how I can market them in a legal way. And this is what's keeping me busy. But the other thing is, I need feedback. Like right now, I've got some early feedback from some people, and that is so important to steer kind of like the direction of this project, and also my thinking when it comes to, am I building the right things? Am I providing the right files and components and licenses and whatnot? And this is something where I need your help. So in order to be able to do that, there's a Discord server, and you can join that Discord server. And once you join, if you're part of the first 10 or 15 people, I will send you all the components that you need free of charge if you're inside Europe, and you receive them. You'll be able to build a split flap display. The only thing that you have to do is share feedback with me. So that Discord server is probably the best way to stay in touch with the project and to follow along and be part of that discussion and be part of that direction. So join it. The link is right here in the description. And of course, if you want to stay tuned for more updates, just subscribe here in the channel. That's how that usually works. And that would be it for the very first project update. Thank you for listening.